Hi, I'm Kriti and welcome to my channel. This is one of my very first videos and I wanted to take you along as I build a little space on YouTube. I have always had this image of cozy, minimal but very me kind of setup, and this chair is the first step towards that. I can't wait to see it, so let's unbox this cute minimal chair.
Start with the packaging. It came in a sturdy cardboard box, and what I liked is how well protected each part was. Everything was wrapped first in thick foam, then in paper. No scratches, no dents, which is always a relief.
So we are done with the unboxing. Now it's time to assemble it. I am not a DIY savvy person, so let's see how the unboxing goes. Fingers crossed.
Now here I am showing all the parts that came in the box. First, the round chrome base. Then the frame that connects everything. Now this is the height adjustable center lever. And finally the main seat. And you will see the finish looks super clean and premium. The round base feels solid, not flimsy at all. The frame is lightweight but sturdy, and the lever moves really smooth, which I will show you in just a bit. Everything you need to assemble is right in the box. It comes with 4 screws and a small screwdriver, so you don't need any extra tools. Super beginner friendly. Now I am starting to fix the base to the seat, just lining up the parts and screwing them in one by one. Alright, once it's assembled, here's how it looks. I have placed it upright and here I am standing next to it so you can get an idea of height, and yes, it's adjustable. The chrome finish at the bottom adds such a nice minimal vibe to any room. Comfort wise, the seat is slightly firm but feels supportive. Perfect for casual seating without sinking in too much. I would love to know, what do you think? Do you prefer minimal furniture like this or something more cushioned? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Honestly, it wasn't hard to put together, just a couple of parts and everything clicked nicely. If you see me sitting here, know that this was the step 1 in creating something which is entirely mine. Thanks for watching this little unboxing moment. I will be sharing more content around fashion, beauty and navigating adult life. So if that sounds like your vibe, hit that subscribe button and come along. You can also find me on Instagram at whoiskriti for daily bits of my life. See you in the next video.